Welcome to Pric platform. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create, customize, and host a virtual webinar using our platform. Let's get started and navigate to the Events tab. Once you're in the Events dashboard, click on Launch Event to start setting up your webinar. So, in step 1, provide the basic details for your webinar, add a title to your event, choose a category, and upload a cover image to make it visually appealing. Once you've entered these details, click on the Next button to proceed. In step 2, select the type of event you're hosting. For this example, we'll choose Virtual. Next, paste the meeting URL for your webinar. This can be a Google Meet link, Zoom link, or any other platform where the webinar will be hosted. After adding the URL, click on Next to continue. In step 3, set the schedule for your webinar. Select the start and end dates as well as the start and end times. Don't forget to choose the correct time zone to ensure all attendees have accurate timing information. Once you've set up the schedule, click on Next to proceed. Number 4, you can set up your tickets. There are 2 options available, free and paid. For paid events, you can specify the price, ticket name, discount, and ticket quantity. However, for this example, we're creating a free event. Simply select the free option, enter the ticket name, and specify the ticket quantity. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Submit button to complete the setup. Once your event is created, you'll be redirected to the event page.